Well, here's my Road Warrior gyrocopter. What do y'all call these? Gyrocopters or?
Gyrocopter.
Gyrocopter.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Same. You just got through fueling it up. Pre-flight.
Yes, flight checks.
Pre-flight check.
Finished.
This is Jorge. He's going to be my pilot. He's from Costa Rica. See, he's
Yes.
been flying them for 5 years. I don't have a YouTube channel or anything. I just like to document my travels. We're going to go fly for an hour. We're going to go over Nicoya, where the festival's going on?
If you want to do it?
Well, you know,
Yeah,
if there's something better to see, I'd rather see it.
Normally I recommend to fly over the beach.
Okay, yes, see,
because-
the beach, muy bueno, yes.
Because now we are the whale season, so
Okay.
we have a high chance to see a whale.
Oh, that would be, yeah, you can have Nicoya
Yeah.
Festival. 200 annexation?
Sorry?
200 years?
Yes.
Okay.
200 years that Guanacaste decided to join Costa Rica.
200.
Yeah.
200.
200.
They all look really clean and well maintained. How many hours does that aircraft have on it?
Sorry?
How many hours flight time?
Flight time is about 3 hours and a half.
Only 3 hours on that engine?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And it expends about 80 liters per hour.
What kind of horsepower?
This one has 115 horsepower.
115?
Yeah, with turbo.
Okay, I'm climbing in. Let me turn this off. Okay, here we go. Got the back engine started. This is gonna be cool as shit. Yeah, check. You may hear me narrating my GoPro, so yeah. Alright, here we go. We're moving. I don't know if it's a grass runway or a paved runway. Oh, grass runway. Doing a 1 hour flight. It says we're going to do some beach flying.